In this video, you'll learn how to merge databases in Notion. This process allows you to consolidate information from multiple databases into a single location, enhancing your organization and workflow. First, navigate to the Notion website by entering notion.so into your web browser. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your workspaces and databases. Next, create a new page by clicking on the option labeled Add to New Page. This action opens a blank workspace where you can begin the merging process. Once the new page appears, click on the blank space to activate the editing features. This step prepares your page for the database integration. Type in /database in the blank space you activated. This command prompts Notion to display a list of database options available for you to choose from. After that, select Databases Inline from the drop-down menu. This selection will create an inline database on your page, allowing for easier integration with existing databases. Now, locate your existing database, such as Tasks Tracker, click on it to open that specific database. Ensure that the data you want to merge is visible and accessible. Click on the Get Started button within the database interface. This action will lead you through the initial setup of the inline database you just created. When prompted, click on Done to finalize the initial setup. This confirmation allows you to proceed to the next steps of the merging process. Drag the existing database, like Tasks Tracker 1, into your current page. This action combines the two databases, preparing them for merging. Next, click on the 6 dots icon that appears next to the database name. This icon provides access to additional options for database manipulation. Then choose Turn into Inline Database from the options presented. This change will convert your existing database into an inline format, making it easier to merge. Select the 6 dots icon again and pick the task that you wish to merge with the current database. This action specifies the exact data you want to consolidate. Finally, repeat the drag action to move the selected task into your inline database. This step completes the merging process, integrating the chosen tasks into a single database. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.